creamy, protein-packed banana and peanut butter overnight oatmeal. You only need 6 ingredients to make it, and it is so satisfying. This is one of the most popular breakfast recipes on my website, and I'm so excited to be sharing a video of it today. Let's do it! Peel your bananas and add them to a large mixing bowl. Then add rolled oats, your favorite plant-based milk, peanut butter, you can use smooth or chunky peanut butter, and cinnamon. Mix and mash until you have a nice smooth mixture, and then if you need to, you can sweeten it to taste with maple syrup. That's really going to depend on how ripe your bananas are, how sweet your plant-based milk is, and your personal tastes. Transfer that oat mixture to an airtight container, seal it up, and chill it overnight. In the morning, you've got rich, creamy banana and peanut butter overnight oats. You can eat them cold or warm them up in the microwave for cozy banana peanut butter oatmeal. How will you serve these? I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make these banana and peanut butter overnight oats. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I am always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!